So look what I found here. It's served hot. It's all with chocolate. It's quite a big cup. It's sweet. And this is from Zagreb. This is a snack from Zagreb and it's called cheese pillows. They give you some chips and 2 dips as well. Okay, this is what we call plata mokosika. There's chicken breast, sausage, cevapici, rump steak, kaimak, cream cheese and French fries. This is a typical dish from Croatia. And this is the amount of chips there is once you take all the meats from the top. It's really a lot. Unbelievable. This is another Croatian dish. It's called cevapici. I can never say what I read, but maybe who's been here can understand what I mean. Cevapici. Boogie Leb, Zagreb. According to the reception of the hotel, this is one of the best places to go for breakfast, brunch, or something typical from Croatia and Zagreb itself. It's not very far from the hotel, and I'm gonna go in, have a look inside, and maybe eat something here. Okay, so you go in and you'll greet it with this beautiful bread here, and sandwiches and cupcakes. It's a really nice smell here. It's the kitchen there, look. Really nice concepts. Let's see where I'm gonna sit. Really nice sitting places here, tables, even sort of these blue sofas. You can go even downstairs or you can sit outside. Really nice concept here. Okay, let's see what we're gonna eat here. So I took an espresso and they bring you some water and their specialty. This is called, let me read from the menu. This is called Kokosom I Milinom. It looks like coconut here with raspberry, and probably it's filled inside. So I'm gonna sit in this beautiful place, Boogie Lab in Zagreb, and enjoy my croissant and espresso. In Croatia you'll find a lot of stalls selling these liqueurs and honey from their own country, you know. Really nice shaped bottles. Here I am filming in Split, so most of them say Split on it, like you can even buy it as a souvenir. But you'll find them, these type of things, all over Croatia. I've seen them in Zagreb, I've seen them in Dubrovnik, I'm seeing them now in Split, and I'm sure I will see them as well in Zadar. All over Croatia there is these shops. This is one of them called Mlinar. You will find it in every city you go, and it's what they call like to stop and have a snack. They normally have lots of croissants with different flavors, And they have all these different things. I did try about 2 or 3 different ones while I've been here. They even have sandwiches ready made and cupcakes and so on. These type of shops, you'll find them all over Croatia. So these are 2 typical Croatian savory, what you'll find all over Croatia. This got a spinach, and this one with cheese. Nice, something different, but it's savory, like a snack, you know, like a snack.